Hello everyone, welcome back to Geneva's Garden. Today we're going to be doing another look with the Geneva's Garden Fall Palette. As usual, I have already put in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Freeze Gel in my eyebrows. It's already dried. I'm using my MAC pencil in the color Stud to darken them in. And today the look that we're going for, it really came out just really beautiful, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm pretty satisfied with my brows. Those are my Emma bracelets by Shanitra. All natural stones, no glass. So now I'm getting ready, turning on the water so I can wet my little blender ball with some warm water. When you do that, it just helps you be able to blend out your concealer better. Especially in the case of my 24-hour matte concealer, because it dries really quickly, so it keeps it moist. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my MAC 24-hour Pro Concealer. Again, I always do one side at a time because it does dry really fast. Just do a nice little triangle to try to cover the whole under eye and cheekbone area. Always tap and not wipe, no matter how long it takes. Just keep tapping, and make sure that you're covering the whole area, leaving no spots. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, in the same way, a nice little triangle, and then go in with the blender ball and pat until you cover the entire surface area all around, on the eyelid, under the eye, and on top of the cheekbone. After that, I'm just going to do the nose, forehead, and chin, and the Cupid's bow area, just to highlight those areas. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me and my 355 Coconut. Again, as usual, we're just going to go around the areas that did not get concealer and kind of blend into the concealer areas, just to give a natural light makeup look, nothing too heavy. So I go under the cheeks, on the top of the forehead, hit the temples, top of the lip, under the chin, always hit your ears, and on the neck just a bit. So now I'm about to go in with my Fenty Mocha Mami, and that's what I prefer to do my contour with. So I'm just gonna go ahead in a light contour, nothing too heavy, just to highlight your cheekbones, bring out the bridge of your nose and just add a little dimension to the forehead to bring out your face. Okay, so now I'm going in with my I think it's Voss Make Me Blush, and that's my favorite blush, and you literally go right on top of the contour, and it really brings out your cheekbone and helps define the contour. Now usually, I don't have a specific method with doing my makeup. A lot of times I'll add the blush after I've done the setting powder, but this time I really like the effect of putting on the blush and then putting the setting powder on top. I think it really helps the blush set in and give the desired effect. Okay, so I'm about to go in with my Fenty Honey Setting Powder. Again, I love Rihanna. All her products are wonderful. So you're going to use the setting powder to set the face and also bring out the contour. So under the eyes, and then you're going to go under the contour next to the jawline, which helps define the contour. You're going to go across the chin and then across the middle of the forehead where you put the concealer. And then once you do that, you go ahead and get your blending brush and you're going to blend it all out. So I'm getting ready to do my first spray with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so now we're about to get into the fun stuff. We have the Geneva's Garden palette, which is available on Etsy. Today we're going to be using the colors Sunset Orange, Honeysuckle Pink, and Bronze. Okay, so we're starting with the Sunset Orange, and again I'm doing a double video for you guys so you can see an up close of the colors. I'm just starting by packing on the orange so it can give the effect that I want. Even though this is not our close-up video, you can still see how vibrant the orange is. And I'm just going to let you guys watch as I go from side to side, just blending in the orange and the pink. And that's just a good view before I go ahead and add in the bronze. So with those two colors, they really are showing up very well. Orange is another color that has a hard time not being chalky and giving true color. And it really is giving true color and giving a beautiful sunset, like a 6 o'clock. The sky is pink and orange sunset. The mirror on the wall was a bit too far away for me trying to blend in the bronze, so I do have a really good mirror in the palette, and I'm just using it to really make sure that the bronze is blending in and highlighting the orange and pink. So now that I blended in the bronze, I'm just going over one more time just to highlight my orange and pink again, just to make sure that I didn't make them muddy when I was adding in the bronze. I dusted just a little bit of setting powder under the eye just to get any excess color that might have fell off of the brush. And here's the final look of it. It's really pretty. I was considering putting color in the inner canthus, but I felt like the eye was already doing a lot. She was her own show. She didn't need a starter. So the only things, well, I believe now, I was thinking about going ahead and finishing her out with a little eyeliner. And I still do need to add my highlighter. Now I know at this point I'm doing my eyeliner and the video is going to cut out. So once it does, I'm just going to go ahead and insert pictures of the final look and give you guys a close-up of the completed eye. Okay, so this is the completed eye without the lash. Really pretty. It transitions into each color well. This is completed with lash. So thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.